Okay, let's talk about AI. It's 2026 and it's literally everywhere, right? And honestly, it can feel like a lot, maybe even a little intimidating. But what if I told you that in just the next few minutes, you're going to get what feels like an AI superpower? Seriously, let's dive in. And look, that's not just some clickbaity headline. It's a promise. We're going to cut right through all the hype and all the confusing jargon. My goal here is simple: to give you a practical way to finally get what AI is all about, and more importantly, start using it, like today. No sci-fi stuff, just a really powerful new tool for you. So, first things first, let's talk about myth versus reality. Because, to really get a handle on what AI is, we've got to clear away some of the fog about what it isn't. So on one side, you've got the myth, right? The whole sci-fi robot is coming to take my job thing. It makes for a great movie plot, for sure. But that's just not the reality. The reality is, well, it's way less dramatic and a lot more hopeful. Think of AI as a tool that you control. It's kind of like a calculator, but for words and ideas. It's here to help you out, to be your assistant, not to replace you.
And here's the kicker. You're actually already using AI every single day, and you probably don't even think about it. I mean, every time you use a search engine, that's AI. Those movie recommendations that are sometimes creepily accurate, AI again. Or how about your email inbox magically filtering out all that spam? Yep, you guessed it. AI is already this silent partner, this helpful tool that's just part of your daily routine.
Now, the kind of AI that's been making all the headlines lately is called generative AI. And all that really means is it's an AI you can have a conversation with. Seriously, that's the gist of it. The best way to think about it is like a superpowered autocomplete. You can give it a little bit of text, an idea, a question, and it can help you finish it, write a whole essay, or even create an image from scratch. It's like having a creative partner on call 24/7.
All right, that's enough theory. Let's get to the fun part, the practical magic. I'm going to show you, right now, how a simple back-and-forth conversation with an AI can take a kind of messy first draft and turn it into something absolutely perfect. Okay, let's imagine a real-world scenario here. Let's say you need to quickly understand one of your competitors. So you ask an AI to help out, and it gives you back this, a giant wall of text. It's got all the information, sure, but it's so dense, it's not focused, you can't really do anything with it. And honestly, this is a super common problem. It's where a lot of people just give up, but you're not going to.
This right here is where the conversation is key. We start with that basic prompt, right? And we get that wall of text. So we just talk back to it. We say, hey, this is too dense. Can you restructure this into a SWOT analysis? And boom, it does. Now, that's better, but maybe it's a little too simple. So we refine it again. Okay, now flesh out each of those bullet points and add a strategic response. And just like that, after a couple of quick messages, we have the exact, perfect, actionable analysis we were looking for from the start.
But wait, don't stop there. Because this next step, this is the real game changer. This is the superpower. We ask the AI one last thing. We say, hey, can you reverse engineer our whole conversation and just write me the one single prompt that would have given me this final result in the first place? This one question, this is everything.
And what it gives you back is basically the perfect recipe. A powerful, reusable prompt that has learned from all of your feedback. And think about what that means. This isn't just about saving a few minutes on this one task. It's about teaching you how to write better prompts. You're essentially building your own personal library of perfect prompts, getting better and better at talking to AI with every single use.
So, there it is. That's your new superpower. This little prompt reversal trick saves you a ton of time and effort. Make sure you capture all the details you need, and most importantly, it literally helps you become a better prompt writer. You're not just using the tool anymore, you're starting to master it.
Okay, so you've seen how this works. Now it's your turn. It's time to take the wheel and actually try this out. I've got one small mission for you to get started. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Go find a news article about something that actually matters to you. Could be something about your job, maybe a local issue happening in your community, or even a topic from a class you're taking. All you have to do is ask an AI tool to summarize it for you. That's it. Just see if you can get the main takeaways in a matter of seconds. It's a really simple first step, but trust me, it's a powerful one.
So I'm going to leave you with this one question to think about. Now that you have this new tool in your toolkit, what's the first problem you're going to solve with it? The possibilities are, well, pretty much endless. Thanks for hanging out, and get ready to start building those AI skills.